Seagulls, a member of the Laridae family, are seabirds that live in various environments, from coastal to urban settings. They are hardy and intelligent birds, known for their adaptability and ability to learn and coexist with humans and other creatures. Their success can be attributed to their ability to adapt to human environments, particularly in the form of hospitality for human sources of food, particularly in rubbish and food waste. Seagulls have powerful bodies, long wings, moderate-length necks, and strong, slightly hooked bills. Their feather structure consists of 6 recognizable types: white-bodied plumages, wing structure optimized for flying, tails serving balance and steering during flight, and moderately long legs with fully webbed feet. Seagulls also exhibit complex social behavior, with diverse vocal signals for danger warnings, body language for territory claims, synchronized flying patterns for food sources, and specific calls for mate recognition. Socially, seagulls exhibit high levels of organization, especially within nesting colonies, where they form monogamous pairs and take equal responsibility for caring for their young and territory. They can do so much to stop predators, leading to teamwork in defending themselves from threats. Feeding habits and diets are significant for seagulls, as they process both freshwater and seawater through specialized salt glands found above their eyes. They require around 20% of their body weight in daily sustenance, which includes a high protein and high fat intake. Their natural diet includes fish, marine invertebrates and crustaceans, insects and earthworms, small animals and carrion, and vegetable matter. Seagulls employ elaborate hunting techniques, such as the paddling dance, which involves tapping their feet rapidly on the ground to confuse earthworms or other marine life into becoming vulnerable. Despite their reputation for being wasteful when consuming food scraps, seagulls have an unquestionable preference for natural, raw fish and seafood. Urban foraging populations have begun synchronizing with human schedules, feeding only when schools are closed and waste centers are operational. This species shows considerable behavioral flexibility, allowing it to maximize energy intake while still maintaining a preference for marine sources of nutrition when available. Seagulls play an important role in ecological balance as natural scavengers of coastal ecosystems and help clean up waste and control pest populations through their consumption behaviors. Their droppings provide nutrients that could enhance soil fertility in coastal areas, contributing to seabird ecology. Seagulls have traditionally held an important place in human mythology and culture, with historical events like the 1844 miracle of gulls in Salt Lake City, Utah, and their role in navigation in Sailor's Creed. However, most seagull species face conservation issues, with the herring gull recently added to the UK's Red List of Birds of Conservation Concern. Seagull conservation efforts are crucial to maintain ecological balance in coastal ecosystems, despite the birds often conflicting with humans, especially due to their presence in urban spaces.